$18 billion. That's how much Palantir investors lost today, in one trading session, after they just reported their best earnings ever. If you don't understand what just happened, you're about to get destroyed in this market. Let's break this down. Yo, what's up? I'm about to give you the full breakdown on Palantir, ticker PLTR, because this crash is a masterclass in how Wall Street actually operates. We're covering fundamentals, technicals, support levels, resistance, everything. If you trade stocks, you need to watch this. Let's get into it. So here's what went down. Monday night, February 2nd, Palantir drops their Q4 earnings. And the numbers? Absolutely insane. Revenue, $1.41 billion. That's up 70% year over year, 70%. Net income, $648 million in profit. In one quarter, 2026 guidance, $7.2 billion. They're telling Wall Street, we're about to grow another 60%. The stock exploded 7% the next day. Retail traders were going crazy. PLTR to the moon. All over Twitter. And then, today happened. Stock opened at 155. Looked strong. And then it got absolutely demolished. Watch this chart. It dropped, and dropped, and dropped, all the way down to 135.68. That's a 14% drop from yesterday's close. In hours. Volume 109 million shares. That's 2.5 times the average. This wasn't a pullback. This was a stampede for the exits. Closed at 139.54. Down 11.6%. $18 billion of market cap. Gone. So what the hell happened? Reason 1. Buy the rumor. Sell the news. This is the oldest trick on Wall Street. And retail traders fall for it every single time. Here's how it works. Smart money, hedge funds, institutions, they buy weeks before earnings. They already know it's gonna be good. Then earnings drop, stock pops, and guess what? They dump it right into your buy orders. You think you're buying the dip? Nah, you're their exit liquidity. Palantir was up 88% over the last year before earnings. The move already happened. Reason 2. The valuation is absolutely ridiculous. Palantir trades at a 220 PE ratio. Let me put that in perspective for you. S&P 500 average, 25. Apple, 32. Nvidia at its peak hype, 70. Palantir, 220. You're paying $220 for every $1 of earnings. That's not investing. That's gambling. And today, the market said enough. Reason 3. The AI competition just got real. Today Anthropic, the company behind Claude AI, dropped a new productivity tool, and it sent the entire software sector into a panic. Here's the headline from Bloomberg. Software stocks slide for second day as AI competition fears mount. Everyone's building AI now. Microsoft, Google, Amazon, Anthropic. Palantir's moat? It might not be as deep as people thought. Now let's talk technicals, because this is where it gets interesting. Pull up this chart. Today's low, 135.68. Look where that lands. That's exactly the 50% Fibonacci retracement from the 52-week range. Almost to the penny. That's not a coincidence. Algorithms trade these levels. Smart money knows these numbers. Here are your key levels. Support, 135. Today's low, 50% fib. If this breaks, it's ugly 120. 61.8% fib retracement. Next major support 100. Psychological. If we see double digits, panic selling hits. Resistance, 145 to 150. Immediate resistance. Bulls need to reclaim this 157 to 158. Yesterday's close. Major level 165. Recent high. If we break this, the sell-off is over 207. All-time high. Long way to go. RSI? Likely oversold after today's move. Could see a bounce. Volume? Capitulation volume today usually means short-term bottom is close. My take? If you're trading this, wait for 135 to hold. If it bounces with volume, that's your entry. If it breaks, stay away. Next stop is 120. Now look, I'm not saying Palantir is trash. The fundamentals are actually insane. 6.4 billion cash on hand, 0 debt, 36% profit margins. Most companies dream of this. Government contracts locked in. DoD isn't switching vendors. Analyst average target, 190. That's 36% upside from here. If you believe in AI long term, this pullback might be your entry. But you gotta respect the technicals. Don't try to catch a falling knife. That's the full breakdown on Palantir's crash. If this helped you understand what's happening in the market, smash that like button and subscribe for more. Drop a comment. Are you buying this dip or staying away? I'll see you in the next one. Let's get it.